masterpiece under moonlight. Burn it bright, it's just the start. Flames awake my fiery art. Burn it bright, the owl takes flight. Masterpiece under moonlight. Burn it bright, it's just the start. Flames awake my fiery art. Eyes of coal glowing deep, hollow.
So I haven't decided on the stain or the color for this one yet. I might even do a poll, see what you guys think. I'm thinking natural, maybe just a little bit of color, or go crazy and turn it into a magical owl. But it's done now for until I decide what color, or you guys decide what color. I'll give you a little close up.
Retreat. Fire gave it breath, ash gave it skin, create